Hello. So, what will be happening today is I will be showing you a map I made. You can see there in the background, that's a store. Yeah, and this is, on Roblox, Jujutsu Shenanigans. You probably know it. It's very, very popular game. And we will be having a little tour of my map. Okay, I'll just give myself a flight. And here we go. So this is the shop. Got a little milk carton and Gojo. It's not supposed to be weird. Anyway, and Nobara drinking milk. Very, very cute. Very cool. Haven't really done much else. In here is spilt milk. Don't cry over spilt milk. More spilt milk. Milk that hasn't been opened yet, but there's no one drinking it. I think someone like threw it up here to try get like a trick shot to like land the bottle, but yeah, and they couldn't get it back down because no one gave a crap. Oh yeah, this one that I placed here this morning. A picture that I do not have an ID for. This, which is just always there. Vending machine, which is also always there. The dummy. I think that's everything. Yeah, it is. I'll show you some of my other maps too. I will just load them in for you guys. Let me just load that in. Saves. I need flight. Okay. So, oh yeah, I forgot I put that wall there. I don't think I closed off this wall yet. So this is a bar. It's gonna be like a little bar. Here's like the area where you'll be sitting. There's like the fence thing. It's not finished yet, of course. There'll be like seats and everything. Why did I just go through the floor? That is not supposed to be there. Okay, there. Yeah, there's gonna be like seats there and everything, and like it'll just be a nice little map. There's all like things there. And there'll be like chairs everywhere, little carpet. These are the bathrooms, the woman's bathroom. And yeah, you can see it's not very finished. The other bathroom, which you can see right there. The drinks are here. I don't know what they're called, but drinks. Yeah, just random drinks. My friend thought I didn't build this. He thought I like hired someone because he said it was really good for what I usually build, which is kind of insulting, but he's kind of right. Yeah, and then there's like this big shelf, and then here's the area where he stayed. This is not a part of the map. This is just like a model, so I can like copy and paste. It's a bit too dark. It's supposed to be like a version, like paint melting off, but it's a bit dark. Now it's a bit too bright. What is this? Is around there. Better. There's a bunch of vines and stuff. Yeah, like all that. And I made it so this is a really thin one on the ladder. Or there is a ladder in there, but you can't really see it, so you can like climb up the vine. Yeah, and I covered this in black so you can't see it, so it looks like it's all abandoned. I haven't covered these two for some reason. I was gonna make like a plane so you could like so me and my friend could like sit in here. This would be our secret hideout for the apocalypse and stuff. More vines to cover our secret base, like a little boarded out place. I'll add more stuff to cover us. An Xbox, very poorly done Xbox. This was gonna be something, but change my mind. Oh, I just run into the sign. I did. Pretty sure that yeah, for a little thing here, I made some broken ones, a few broken ones, yeah, yeah, other stuff. God, guys, did I add anything here? I forgot. I don't think I did. Yeah, I didn't. Yeah, it's. Oh, I forgot I added this. Yeah, you go through here. The sign fell down, so yeah, the sign fell down, so you can't like read what's there, and it's down there. Yeah, so these are my maps, more vines. Yeah, I'll add more later. I'm not sure if I did anything for this. Yeah, I don't think I did. Yeah, I didn't. Yeah, so that's all of my maps in Jujutsu Shenanigans. Yeah, that's all my maps for like that I have currently. Might reset the Apocalypse one and make a better version, or no, I definitely won't reset the bar. That took way too long, honestly. I just started the milk one, so I could probably redo that if I don't wanna. If I accidentally reset it or something. Yeah, there's more lines here and stuff coming out the window. Yeah, I added this too. The lamp post fell. Yeah, it's basically it. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's it for like my little Jujutsu Shenanigan builds. And I will see you in another video probably. Okay.